Welcome back to our land of furry and fairness. Last time, we dug into the idea of constitution, the heart of the Aussie legal system. Think of the constitution as a big agreement among all the kitties about how power, in other words, the authority to govern and manage our society, is shared and exercised. Every adult kitty holds one vote, one equal piece of power, whether you're wealthy or modest, young or old, shy or bold, your vote counts exactly the same. Together, we place all our power into a shared trust chest, a collective pool of authority that belongs to every kitty. The Constitution carefully separates this authority into three distinct areas: making laws, implementing and enforcing laws, and interpreting laws and resolving disputes. This separation ensures fairness by preventing any single group from becoming too powerful. It also provides clear guidance to regulate our lives and offer benefits and protections for every kitty in our community. So who looks after the power we put into our treasure chest? The power to make laws is exercised by Parliament, where elected representatives debate and decide what goes into our rulebook. The power to carry out laws is exercised by the executive branch, led by ministers and officials chosen by the ruling party in Parliament. They are in charge of things like running departments, funding schools, building roads, well, at least they used to before a toll company moved in. The power to interpret laws is exercised by judiciary branch, a group of wise and impartial cats with extra long whiskers appointed by executive. They settle disputes and make sure every poor stays within the line drawn by the Constitution. We never let any one branch hog all the treasure. That's why we've built fences and walls between them, ensuring each manages only the powers they've been given. The careful balancing act is called the separation of powers. It prevents greedy paw prints and maintains fairness. Even with these wars, our branches will need to collaborate. Sometimes Parliament might delegate smaller roles and details to the executive branch, trusting them to stay within clearly defined boundaries. For example, Parliament might pass a broad education law, and then let the Education Department set detailed regulations, like deciding school start times